it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I have another Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing. If you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, it's a monthly beauty subscription service featuring 5 full-size products, free worldwide shipping, and it's curated around an entire makeup look. So every month they have a theme and they include products based on that theme to help you create a makeup look surrounding that theme. How many times can one say theme? I've literally done so many videos like this one on my channel. So for today's video, we're just going to go ahead and get right on into it. I'll have a link down in the description box below if you're interested in subscribing to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. And of course, the next video that you'll see is the corresponding makeup tutorial that goes along with this box theme. I'm so excited because this box theme is Feelin Peachy, which I think is just so cute. So I'm really excited to see how this look will come together, and I just have a feeling that there will be some really great products in this box because I feel like you can't really go wrong with a nice peachy makeup look. That being said, let's go ahead and see what we have inside this box. So the first product inside this box is by P.O Bombshell, and this is the Smooth Criminal. It looks like this is a setting powder. Yeah, Smooth Criminal Powder. So I've actually never tried a powder from P.O Bombshell. You guys know, between Ipsy and Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I have so many different products by P.O Bombshell, and I think this is the first time that I've ever received a setting powder in a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, so that's exciting. So here's what it looks like, just your average setting powder. I'm gonna wait and open this during the Feelin Peachy makeup tutorial because these tend to get a little bit messy, so there's nothing really here to swatch, but I'm excited to see how this performs in the look. And yeah, it's just a nice translucent powder. These kind of powders are not cheap, and as I mentioned, all these products inside this box is full size, so again, I'm really excited to see the quality of this product and see how it performs. The Smooth Criminal HD White Setting Powder retails for $12. The next product that I received in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by Kokie Professional and Kokie Cosmetics. This is the Line & Style Longwear Matte Liquid Eyeliner. If you've been around for any length of time, you know that eyeliner is a makeup product that I do not wear. I also exempt myself from using eyeliners in the corresponding Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes because one of the reasons that I love doing the corresponding tutorials, creating the corresponding tutorials with these boxes, is it makes me branch out and try new products. But eyeliner is one that I still don't use or do because I just don't like eyeliner, and because my eyelids are so small, it takes away from the eyeshadow in my opinion, and I'd much rather wear eyeshadow than wear liner. So I always give these to friends or something like that. But if you love eyeliner, I'm sure this one is a great one because I love the products that I've tried from Kokie Cosmetics. Since I'm giving this to a friend, I will not be swatching this product. It says this liquid eyeliner has an ultra fine applicator tip that easily glides across your lid to create a precise bold line, and this eyeliner retails for $8. The next product that we have is by Kawkawlin Cosmetics, and this is the Deluxe Mineral Blush Powder. You guys know I love Kawkawlin Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite brands. The quality of their products are just so good, and you just really can't go wrong with their products. Just the quality of them is impeccable. So here's what the blush looks like. It looks like it's the perfect shade for a Feelin Peachy makeup tutorial. Again, since this is a loose powder, it's going to get a little bit messy, but I will go ahead and swatch this because I feel like we haven't really swatched that many products in this unboxing. So here is what the blush color looks like. I absolutely love this. This is my kind of blush because I don't really tend to go towards blushes that are too pink. And can we talk about the pigment of this blush? Oh my goodness, I can already tell you only need a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. But I just can't believe how amazing this swatch is. I cannot wait to put this on my face. This is stunning and so up my alley. This Kawkawlin Cosmetics Deluxe Mineral Blush Powder retails for $26. And I also forgot to mention that this blush is in the shade Dusty Rose. This next product that I received in my Feelin Peachy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I'm so excited to try because I feel like it's going to be super pigmented, and I just realized I've been holding it upside down. This is by JCat Beauty, and this is the Holographic 3D eye topper. This is in the shade Pinch Me Peachy. So it says, this lightweight liquid glitter eye topper goes on effortlessly with buildable coverage for a multi-dimensional shimmer. So here's what the product looks like. It's very pretty packaging. I'm excited to swatch this. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is stunning. Just one swipe and boom, it's that pigmented. These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this on my eyes, and I feel like I might have to see if they have some more of these because these are stunning. I'm so excited to see how these blend, but I'm already so impressed. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. JCat Beauty nailed it on this product. This 3D eye topper retails for $6.99. The last product in this Feelin Peachy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is, looks like this is a lip balm. I have no idea what brand this is. Oh, this is Blossom Beauty, and it's a color changing crystal lip balm. The color that you receive varies, but it says find your unique shade with this color changing lip balm. Infused with a real flower, it smells as dreamy as it looks. I will say right off the bat, I'm not super excited because this product is made in China, which is a bummer because I feel like a lot of the products that I receive in Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is made in the USA. The fact that this lip balm is made in China bums me out a little bit. Here's what the balm looks like. It looks like to me like a knockoff of the Winky Lux balms that I have. So this is really pretty. Like, that flower inside really is gorgeous. These balms tend to react to your skin's pH level, so we'll see how this one is. I'm just going to swatch this on my hand for now, so you probably won't really see much. Oh wow, this is really pretty. So my glitter eye topper is still on my hand because I couldn't get it all off. But that is the pretty pink that it comes with. That is gorgeous. So I might see if I have more of a peachy lipstick and then put this on top, because I feel like this is a little bit too pink to go with a peachy makeup look. So we'll see. But the balm itself is really, really pretty and super smooth. I'm impressed. This Blossom Beauty Color Changing Lip Balm retails for $5. So that is it for this Feelin Peachy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I am so impressed with everything except for the eyeliner. But I'm really excited to put this Feelin Peachy makeup tutorial together for you guys and uploading it and sharing with you how I come up with this look. Again, I'll have a link down in the description box below where you can sign up for Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. But in the meantime, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!